You're stripping for that?
And it's... Oh, it just started. Okay. Oh, look at the tramp. Okay. Hi, I'm Nicole.
Hi. What? What?
You're...
Mary. Okay.
I'm going to tell you a joke today.
Yay.
Okay. So, a woman shot her husband, put him underwater for 5 minutes, then finally hung him. 10 minutes later, they went out to dinner. How is this possible?
I don't know.
One more guess.
I don't know.
Okay, I'll tell you. Your guesses were very close, but
Oh, I know.
wait. Okay. The answer is the woman was a photographer. She shot her husband, put him underwater for 5 minutes, then hung him.
Oh, ha 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 ha.
Bye.